Your liver filters over 500 toxins every single day, but most people are eating foods that silently damage it. The good news is that certain foods may help support your liver's natural detox process and keep it functioning properly. In this video, we'll look at 24 foods that help support and protect your liver, naturally ranked from good to best. Make sure to stay until the end because the number 1 food might surprise you. Let's begin. Number 24. Apples. Apples are rich in pectin fiber, which helps support digestion and may assist the body in removing waste through the gut. Number 23. Carrots. Carrots are high in beta-carotene and plant antioxidants that help support normal liver function. Number 22. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol and antioxidants that help protect liver cells from oxidative stress. Number 21. Cabbage. Cabbage contains natural compounds that support the liver's detoxification pathways. Number 20. Oats. Oats are rich in beta-glucan fiber that may support fat metabolism and healthy liver function. Number 19. Avocados. Avocados contain healthy fats and nutrients that help support glutathione production, an important antioxidant for liver protection. Number 18. Walnuts. Walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids and amino acids that support normal liver cleansing processes. Number 17. Lemons. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which supports antioxidant activity and hydration. Number 16. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains healthy monounsaturated fats that may help reduce fat buildup in the liver when used in moderation. Number 15. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants and fiber that support metabolic balance and liver wellness. Number 14. Blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help protect the liver from oxidative damage. Number 13. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants like naringenin that may support fat metabolism in the liver. Number 12. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that helps activate liver detoxification enzymes. Number 11. Spinach. Spinach is high in plant nitrates and antioxidants that support overall liver wellness. Number 10. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes involved in detoxification. Number 9. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which supports protection against oxidative stress. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is packed with catechins that may support healthy liver enzyme levels. Number 7. Sardines. Sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that may help reduce liver fat accumulation. Number 6. Salmon. Salmon provides anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that support liver health. Number 5. Coffee. Studies suggest regular coffee consumption is linked to better liver enzyme levels and reduced liver fat. Number 4. Kale. Kale is high in chlorophyll and antioxidants that support the body's natural detox pathways. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger contains bioactive compounds that support healthy inflammation balance and digestion. Number 2. Beets. Beets are rich in betalains, compounds that support liver cell protection and healthy circulation. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for supporting liver health and antioxidant defense. Adding these foods to a balanced diet may help support your liver and overall health. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more simple health and nutrition tips.